Let's randomize the field. That puts the gold mineral over in the field corner to the right. Let's get this match started in 3, 2, 1.
And the automated segment begins as Team 750 managed to successfully lower themselves, unattaching themselves from the lander, as does Team 9470, knocking the middle silver mineral into the depot. However, they are able to drop their marker off, which is a great start to their automated segment.
9470 successfully drops that marker, while 750 and 9470 both seem to make it into their crater. The Red Alliance is still stuck by the lander.
3, 2, 1.
And we move into the tele-up segment as all teams rush to get as many minerals as they can into their desired locations.
Now the real fun begins. 14527 trying to pick up the gold mineral from their sampling field, but struggling to turn.
It seems that Team 750, being aggressive, is trying to disrupt them, as they did not claim their own depot.
750 has managed to sweep both of those silver minerals right out of that sampling field from the Red Alliance, taking them over to their own corner.
It seems that Team 4511 has an interesting three-wheel design.
Team 14527 is using what looks like a big claw to try and pick up those minerals, but they seem to be having troubles getting a hold of it the way they want to. Maybe they've resorted to just pushing it in.
And it seems that they have, as they successfully push a golden mineral inside of the depot and manage to free their friend. As they both corral their minerals in there, Team 750 tries to sneak over and push those silver minerals.
Team 9470 getting lined up to try and pick up a silver mineral from the blue crater. We go in to endgame in about 5 seconds. Everyone seems to be getting lined up. Endgame begins.
And as the endgame begins, I noticed that Team 9470's claw does not have any moving parts outside of its joint. It seems that they used 2 stretchy cords in order to move around the desired object, and they will snap back into place once it is grabbed, preventing it from falling.
Team 14527 struggling in the red crater, almost sticking their arm out of the field there for a moment.
And that is the end of the match.
And it looks like we've got the scores from qualification match number 6, bringing Blue Alliance to a win with 160 points to Red Alliance's 54. That autonomous score really did put them on top.
It seems to be a pattern here that anyone who does extremely well in endgame or autonomous seems to be able to win the match by a landslide.